Alright, thanks for tuning in to another video. I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug today on an Ezgo with the Kawasaki engine, 13.5 horsepower. The first thing you got to do is get you a 13/16 spark plug socket with the boot in it. So the first thing you want to do is pull the dipstick out the way to make it easier to get the spark plug off, boot off. Then you want to take the spark plug out. Now hit the subscribe button, y'all. Hit the subscribe button and I'll post more videos. If you want a video, let me know. The spark plug that comes out of it is a BP-R4ES. We use the Autolite 66s. And we use the Champions. Here it is right here. 405RN14YC. Now they already come pre-gapped, so you don't have to worry about gapping it. The main thing is make sure you don't cross thread it or strip it out by over tightening. It's best to start it by hand first. That way you can make sure it ain't cross threaded. Alright, man, that's how you change the spark plug. One of the things you want to make sure is the dipstick, the ledge like this goes over the edge there, just like that. Alright, man, hit the subscribe button.